So I've been thinking about this idea of an artwork for quite some time, and today is going to be the day that we're going to make this happen. Okay, so maybe I'm not the best illustrator, but what I can do is take photos and edit them, so let's go do that. After trying out a bunch of different poses and sifting through them, I finally landed on the one. Then it was time to work some magic. I already knew when I was sketching that I wanted to use a couple of staple elements in this piece, so I started off by just throwing it all together. Right off the bat, I was pretty intimidated because it looked all out of place and I wasn't really sure how I was going to get it all to blend. Usually I have a vision of what I would want something to look like, but you guys saw the sketch and that wasn't really substantial for a final look. Genius. So I was kind of going in a little bit blind. I spent a long time tweaking all the colors of everything just to try and get it all to match the scene. Then it was time to add some dimension to the image by adding some fog, but honestly I was the most excited to play around with the fairy wings. I am not the biggest fan of butterflies, so for my own sanity, these are going to be fairy wings, okay? As you guys might have seen in the photoshoot portion, I included some purple light because I wanted the moon to kind of emanate that hue, and I struggled to try and get that to happen in post, so what do? You just cover it up with more fog. I was playing around with the texture and ended up really liking this combination for the bottom third of the image. It sort of looks like a blend between ocean waves and clouds, so I'm pretty happy that I stumbled upon it. The final image will be on my Instagram as well, so feel free to check it out over there, and there will also be a bonus one coming up, so make sure to follow me over there for the reveal. To re-emphasize the fantasy theme, I wanted to add some sparkles because everything is just more magical with sparkles, no? And I added some shooting stars because I heard if you already tap the like button on this video, it will give you some extra blessings. And just with a little bit more editing wizardry, this is what the final image looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this behind the scenes and taking a little stroll with me on what the inside of my brain looks like. This is my first time doing this, so I definitely want to exercise this creative muscle a little bit more, and if you have any ideas of what I should try out next, leave a comment down below. I will try my best to make that happen. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like. It really helps me a lot so that I can take you on this creative journey with me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can join this creative community over here. So with that being said, go create a life that you're proud of. See you next time. Bye!